In the histologic slide on the next picture, we see a view of the cortical region of a lymph node with prominent numbers of germinal centers, and the arrow is pointing to the location of a subcapsular sinus, which is going to be the entry point of an afferent lymphatic vessel. And then extending down, as indicated by my arrow, between adjacent cortical regions is a paratrabecular region carrying basically lymph through a paratrabecular sinus into the interior of the node. Now looking in contrast at the medulla of the node, we note here that it has differential staining because the medullary cords containing many more cells are much more basophilic than the adjacent areas at B, which are the medullary sinuses. And as we indicated previously, the medullary cords are prominent locations of lymphocytes, modified lymphocytes that are in the form of plasma cells, as well as macrophages.